but this is to kind of show you real quick how you do it. So she said, find the one that's shaped like a C.
Okay. Letter A, B, C, D. I'm gonna go home. It's getting hotter, man. We definitely getting higher because it's getting hotter. Oh. Oh. That was the most intense, bro, because I flipped backwards. So I couldn't even see the stopping point.
That one caught my...
Awkward, yo. Oh, I had two of them. Oh my god. So I gotta walk with these and kind of. So we just wait right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how you gonna hold it when we start? Because when we start, we starting over there. This is just the practice.
So I'm gonna hold my camera. So it's something like in one hand, or I need two hands?
I'm saying if you wanted to record, it would probably be better if you did it with your phone rather than with that.
Use my phone, then my camera.
Yeah, because I don't want you to be at risk of like dropping that. The higher we climb up, like from the ground. We start.
I'd rather drop my camera than my phone, but I need to get a GoPro.
But just to kind of show you real quick how you do it. So she said, find the one that's shaped like a C.
Mm-hmm.
And then whichever one's shaped like a C, you always apply it to the magnet and then push down like that, and then drag it. And then you take the next one, you push this button down and flip it to a C, and then you push down. Do it like that.
Are y'all ready? We're gonna start y'all
So come up behind you.
Okay. Letter A, B, C, D. Alright guys, I'm on the phone cam right now. Make sure this is clean. Violet's going across right now. Made it all the way, so now it's my turn to go all the way down there. So I'm learning. This is my first time. I'm like the only one in the group that is doing this for the first time, so I'm feeling like a misfit right now, but I'm getting the hang of it. I'm not gonna lie, it's hot up here. It is hot as heck up here. Okay. Okay. Oh. Woo! So I'm about to vlog this part.
It's gonna take forever, goddamn. Swear to God, I swear.
Yeah, this was like the most like.
This is Scooby-Doo saying the
Why is
cyber
this-
taste type. Oh my God.
It's getting hotter, man. We definitely getting higher because it's getting hotter. Like your shoulders are glistening right now. They look like donut balls. That's my turn to go on this one. I don't really feel like having the wobbliness going on, but I want to go ahead and take my turn and see how this goes. You see how he's looking. So we have great balance. We work out, we train, calisthenics, all that. This is still hard. So, all right.
Oh God. Oh.
Dang, this is like 30 feet. That's crazy. I At this point, we're on wipeout because this, bro, y'all understand how high we are right now, bro. I'm at the top of a small tree right now. I'm looking down like, I hope this isn't poison ivy because I just touched it. It's so hot. It is so hot. Make sure he went across. Oh, shit, it's covered in hot. Oh, that was the most intense, bro, because I flipped backwards, so I couldn't even see the stopping point.
That one caught.
That was a vasectomy, bro, for sure. Like, you might not have nephews anytime soon, for sure. Next 5 years. Let me not speak that. That one was intense, bro. It was the longest zip line, for sure. Hopefully not the last, but I love zip lining. Like, what they have us doing, guys, basically we're going from obstacle course to obstacle course 1 through 4, and each one gets higher, each one gets more difficult, and you're doing difficult things like this right here. And I'm not even able to vlog everything because I need 2 hands to keep balance on certain things. Even though I do have great balance, it's another level of balance for this. Like, this is not my balance. This is advanced balance. I'm mediocre. Start of course number 4, and you have to climb all the way up there. And this is my workout for the day. It's morning time, mind you. We came early. It's morning. It's a.m. It's breakfast time. Skipped breakfast. Came here. Protein and antioxidants is all I want right now. So we're getting close to the end or the finish, and we have this ahead. And I'm looking at it like how? Like how?
There we go.
So we one-handing it. Okay. All right, let's do this. You know, just casually one-handing it right now. Just casually making it happen. Casually make my way across. I do this, y'all. Like, if y'all didn't know, like, I created this obstacle course. Like, this is nothing. Got a hook. Hook. Loop around. I'm gonna go home. How you feel, fam? Boy, about to skateboard across this thing. honestly, after what you told me, if Philly sees this clip, if you watch this clip, Philly, I just want to let you know. I saw where you were like throwing in the towel, and I don't know if you finished or not, but I could see why you wanted to finish and why you stopped where you stopped. I don't see which way to head back. Like that path or this one. But yeah, that was very full body engaging. And I'm seeing Spider-Man's kids out here attacking us. Well, thank you for having us.
Careful going down that hill.
Indeed, we will.
Who's inside should get your harnesses for you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What's the name of this place, sir? What's the name of this place?
Carolina Treetop Challenge.
Carolina Treetop Challenge. Y'all please, if you were in North Carolina area, you like outdoor stuff, you know where to come. Very inexpensive as well. You can do different packages, you know, whatever you want to do. We did the 4-course package, and it was solid, but great customer service, great instructors. They kept us very safe, made sure we were safe. It was my first time, so to make sure I was good and we're doing things effectively, make sure that I was like not falling. So that was a good lookout. But Carolina Treetop Challenge, I think is what he said. But yeah, I'm gonna type it and put it on the screen right here. So y'all make sure y'all come check them out. Dope experience, very fun. I really don't want, an ant fell on me. I don't want anything to be in my hair. Thank you.
Yep.
I appreciate that.
And then y'all want waters or anything? Y'all can grab them in there.
Yeah, I'll take a whole thing of it right now. It is. Back on the camera. I head into a horse. It's like a horse. It's like in general like horse ride that we doing.
It'll be like a lesson. I'm sure we'll get to ride a horse, but we'll be getting like lessons.
Lessons, okay. So we're about to go and have horse lessons. We're gonna head there. We actually good on time. We don't have to be there till 2. It's like almost 12 now, and it's an hour drive. So you know what that means. I'm about to get some food. I really want some Chick-fil-A because I've been eating very clean. So I don't know how you've been eating, but something like a burger, a Chick-fil-A, something like just some common fast food, whatever. But we'll figure it out.
It's certain things that you was taught by that you know. How was it raining? And it's still raining. It's not y'all soul time. So how has the process been? I don't care what you got there, but we're like I just be fair to myself.
Ooh, almost stepped in some sin.
Hey, fellas, how you doing?
How you doing?
How are you?
Marcus?
Right. What's going on? So,
Very nice to meet you.
CJ,
CJ.
nice to meet you.
Guys, be with Jazz today.
hey, how you doing?
Nice to meet you guys.
She's gonna take y'all around on the tour.
Okay.
I got jet. I gotta get. I normally be with y'all today.
That's some big beast.
This is one owner of the Barnes horses. So Charlotte Cowboys, we just operate out of here. This is owned by Mr. Charles. This is one of the 5 black-owned barns in this one area.
Mm-hmm.
So Chief is actually like a show horse kind of.
Very old show.
Yeah, very old. Fun fact I like to tell people about him is he is a stallion. You know, us as black folks, Meg the Stallion.
Yeah.
My cousins got horses, or I'm gonna go ride the stallions.
Right.
You don't want to ride on stallion. Baby's pretty well known around Charlotte. She's been on the cover of Charlotte magazine. She's been on TV multiple times.
Mm-hmm.
WBTV, Queen City News.
Focus. There we go. And that is a wrap on today's video. Thank you guys for watching, for tuning in. Shout out to Carolina Treetop Challenge. I'm gonna put that here in case you guys want to check that out. They're located in Albemarle, North Carolina. They're about an hour, a little over an hour from Charlotte, so they're not too far. That's where we did the ziplining. And then shout out to Charlotte Cowboys. They are one of 5 black-owned farms in the Huntersville, North Carolina area. That's North Charlotte, so that's like not far from uptown. Shout out to you guys. Both businesses were great customer service. They treated my brother and I like the kings that we are. Great professionalism, great team, so we appreciate you guys. It was very hot that day. We started early, but I'm grateful for both of those businesses. Do plan on visiting both again. Charlotte Cowboys does have a TikTok. If you guys want to check them out, that will be the first link in the description, so y'all check them out. Other than that, that is a wrap for today's video. I appreciate you guys for watching, for tuning in. Y'all keep up with me on YouTube, man. I post YouTube shorts. Those are gonna be what I use to update you guys on like upcoming vlogs and that kind of thing. There are going to be more vlogs to come, so y'all make sure y'all subscribe. For those of you that are new, thank you for subscribing, for tuning in. For those of you that are watching that are not subscribed, go ahead and join HFN family. Click that subscribe button and just join us. You know, we're still enjoying the last month of the summer, and then when it gets cold, which I'm waiting on, we're going to be outside still. So thank you guys for watching, for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video, and remember, learn from yesterday, make the best of it today, and prepare for you tomorrow. Until the next video, I'll stay woke.